We are at the Museo de Los Residuos.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
And we'll just give you a little video today. What an amazing place this is. All of these creatures that you see are made from recycled materials put together by children. It's just fantastic. I don't know if my video is doing it justice. Probably not. It's truly amazing here. So this is an organic garden that they have as well, where they grow their own spices and plants.
Son aromáticas.
No.
Esta se llama mejorana.
That's good.
Esta es hierbabuena. Té negro. Menta.
So what a fantastic place this is to bring your kids. I mean, it was just absolutely wonderful. We wanted to leave a cash donation, but they don't accept cash donations here. But we would like to thank our hostess, Lilia.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Gracias.
If you've got kids, bring them. I mean, this is just amazing what they do here. If you don't have kids, still come anyway. It's pretty cool.
We did.
If you like what we're doing, please subscribe and
click the bell and you'll be notified every time that we put out a new video.